You guys, here is a excuse me, tour of my train layout. I haven't hooked up the controller. Yeah, I can't even speak. But this is what I got. Everything came out to $130 on eBay. I got some cars. They're all glued down. House is glued down. Dumpster here. Construction group truck. Some buildings, some old cars. There's the Santa Fe train. Gas station. Of course, all glued down. Callahan's. Old truck. Stuff like that, the little details. Tree. Some guys working on it. House. You got an old caboose here. Freight house. Old camper. And I got a person hiking. A cabin. Another barn. Some signs all glued down. I mixed black and white to make this gray color. I got an old burned down tree, a log cabin, glued down, rocks, telephone pole. I used the signs, package, some animals there. I'll definitely keep you guys updated when I get more stuff on here. So there's a shot right there. Alright, well, I want to thank you guys for watching and hope you have a good rest of your evening or night. Please subscribe.